अब इसके बाद सानिया पर
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Respected principal, teachers, our chief guest, dear students, and all my lovely dear friends. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to speak in front of you. Myself, I am Sania, a standard 10 from Beko. Today, I am going to share on the topic value of time in life. Time is more important in everyone's life. It plays very important role in life. It has no beginning and no ending. It can be neither threatened nor destroyed. It is measured by hours, days and years. No one can escape the passing of time because it is running continuously. Time is much more important than money because money once lost can be earned again, but time does come back. So we should not waste time, but should use it properly. Time once gone is gone forever. It never come back. If you waste time, can't bring it back again. A person who works on time is always happy in life. We know that time is money. Money will come only if you have time. It's mean. Money depends on it, but time doesn't depend on money. So we should not waste time by doing unnecessary things like playing cards, watching movies, drinking wine, etc. Because life is precious. Allah gives you only one time to live in this world. The success or failure of any person depends on how he is using his time. Waste of time has great loss. You will get success only when you use your time properly. Therefore, we should understand the importance of time and should appreciate. Time gives equal opportunity to all. It doesn't say the poor or rich, young or old, healthy or sick. It is equally important to all. If we think about the past time, then the past time can't give us anything because it has already gone. Present important for us. If we analyze the present time properly, our future automatically becomes bright. So we should not waste our present time. We can create the bright future by using the present time properly. Future depends on present, but present doesn't depend on past. Thank you. I end my speech in few lines.
अब इसके बाद रुखसार बानो बिन्त मोहम्मद मलाना
Myself, I'm Rukhsar.
माशाअल्लाह